In today's video, we're going to be looking at our sharing settings in macOS. To get this, we need to click the Apple logo in the top left and go down to System Preferences, and then click Sharing near the bottom. From here, you can see what's shared on your device and who it's shared with. So currently you can see I'm sharing my printer, my HP DeskJet to everyone on the server or on my network, and I can access more details about it here, it's offline. However, from here you can also change your screen sharing, so you know who you're sharing with, file sharing, so you can see all of these are shared with different people, media sharing, so you can stream from different libraries, remote login, so someone can access your device from a different place, remote management, so someone can manage your files from a different place, remote Apple events, so people can list you into events without a request, Bluetooth sharing, so you can share files through Bluetooth, internet sharing, so you can share hotspots or Wi-Fi connections through your device, and also content caching, so people can track things that you use with your data and what's cached to images. You'd also need to click the lock to change things in this area. However, if you need to recommend changing these, I do recommend you do it by a trusted person, as once you give people access to your device, they can do anything with it. So be safe and share with the right people. Thanks for watching.